Sustainable fashion is the future. Let's show you how Mega Sports Apparel make it happen. From sketch to stitch, our clothes go through a meticulous journey. It all starts with design. Our talented team crafts unique patterns tailored to perfection. Next, we source the finest materials, ensuring quality and sustainability every step of the way. In our state-of-the-art factory, skilled artisans bring these designs to life. Precision cutting, expert stitching, and detailed finishing, it's craftsmanship at its finest. But it doesn't stop there. We embrace innovation, using advanced technologies for efficient and eco-friendly production. Our commitment to sustainability means we use eco-friendly fabrics and ethical practices. Every garment is a labor of love, ready to make you look and feel amazing. So next time you wear our clothes, know that you're supporting quality, craftsmanship, and a better planet. Check out our website now